Number 17, determine expression for m that makes the expression 2 minus cos squared x over sine x equal to m plus sine x. So what we want to do is somehow on the left-hand side tease out part of it so it matches sine x. So some part of this we want it to be sine x and some part of this we want to be equal to m. So we don't know how that we're going to do that until we tease out the sine x part of this. So I'm going to start with my identity, and I notice that there's a Pythagorean identity in here. So I'm going to go 1 plus 1 minus cos squared x, and that's all over sine x. And this portion here, 1 minus cos squared x, is my Pythagorean identity. It's going to convert it into sine squared, which is kind of getting towards what I want with the sine x. So I'm going to rewrite this here. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to have 1 plus. I'm going to convert that into sine squared x. And it's all going to be over sine x. Okay, well, sine squared over sine x is going to give me sine. So I'm going to rewrite this 1 over sine x. I need to split off that 1. Sine squared x over sine x. Well, that's what I'm looking for. That's the sine x piece that I'm looking for because I know that's going to simplify. I know that's going to simplify into the sine x part that I want. I've made that match. So then the other part must be the m part here. So I'm just going to finish this off. It's going to be 1 over sine x. I'm going to actually rewrite that as cosecant x. So 1 minus sine x, 1 over sine x is same as cosecant x plus that portion there is now going to be just sine x. And that's going to be equal to the right-hand side of m plus and the matching sine x piece on this side. Okay, so that means then that this m and this cosecant x must be the same. So m is equal to cosecant x.